well, first let me say, I know I got on the same shirt from the last vlog. I have a washer and dryer, mind your business. I don't remember where I saw these, but I did see them and I'm gonna give them both a try. The sticky toffee and the apple cider. Good morning, guys. So, well, first let me say, I know I got on the same shirt from the last vlog. I have a washer and dryer, mind your business. But, so this morning, me and Junie got up, got ready to go to his Mommy and Me class. And when I tell you, I think I need to move over some more. I'm gonna go over a little more. But when I tell you, we didn't make it to class this morning. Why didn't we make it to class this morning, you say? Because we're driving, well, I'm driving, and I look, I'm like, it was a rainy morning, right? The sun is starting to come out now, but it was a rainy morning, and I'm looking as I'm driving, and I'm like, yo, that cloud, why that cloud look so dark? I'm getting a little closer, it's smoke. Somebody's car was on fire where we were. We went from being 15 minutes away from our destination to an hour and 30 because of the traffic. And I had just passed that U-turn that we're technically not supposed to take, but people take it in those instances, like with traffic and stuff, because I was so jealous of the people behind me because they were able to turn, and I was literally probably like, I would say maybe a half a mile away from it. So we ended up missing class. I had to text his teacher and tell her that we were missing class because there was an accident, and like we were at a standstill. Is this on? No, I just turned it on. And the traffic was at a standstill. So I just decided to, like, we probably got out of the traffic, I'm gonna say 10:30. The class is over at 11. It's an hour and a half. She texted me and said that we can come tomorrow or Saturday, but the thing is he already has a makeup class that he has to do. So it's gonna be 2. So he's gonna go tomorrow and he's gonna have to go Saturday so he can be caught back up with his classes. So I'm looking for cards for juniors, teachers, and whatnot. These ones, Merry Christmas, whatever. I would have said Christmas, but the Grinch stole it. No, it's not really my thing. I would only need about 6 though, that's the thing. 'Tis the season for joy and celebration. Hope your Christmas is the merriest. I guess we'll go with these ones. $6. Because how many teachers does he have? 1, 2. 1, 2. Say hello. Thank you. Thank you. Yay. Good job. Thank you, baby. My brother was telling me to get something like this that had like this top on it. Not this exact one, but it says 18 hours keep liquids cold, 8 hours keeps liquids hot. And the last one that I had that was similar to this from Walmart actually did keep it cold and stuff for a while. So because this is $10, I'm definitely gonna get this. 32 ounces, yeah. I would try and do something like these to wear But because I already know I'm gonna talk him into doing the pajamas, I'm not gonna push it. So we're not gonna do those. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to, no, not welcome back to the channel. I don't need to do all that. This is the, what, third day in the week for the weekly vlog. So good morning. We just left mommy and me. We did it today, which is Thursday, because, oh my gosh, she's gonna break that. Because, you know, I think I talked about it yesterday. There was a car on fire and it held traffic up, so we were unable to get to class well, we didn't get out of the traffic until the end of class. It was literally 10:48, I think, when I exit out of the traffic. So my hands are so dry. So now we are, I was going to run to Burlington first, but I'm gonna stop in Aldi's because I need to get, there was something that I should have got in, what's it called? In Walmart yesterday that I forgot to get. So I'm gonna just stop in Aldi's because Burlington's not that far. Because we have to be back home by 1 o'clock because we do have somebody, I have someone coming to the house. So we gotta be back home by 1 o'clock. So I gotta stay in the vicinity. So when I go back that way, I'm just going straight home. So come on, we're gonna go into Aldi. Junior's getting, I don't even know why he's doing, oh, he wants to take his hat off because he's probably hot because the car is warm and he's fully in his jacket. I gotta go get my car cleaned out too, so we gotta move quick. Completely forgot that we were vlogging and I just started putting stuff in my cart, so we got some stuff. Do I need anything over here? I don't think so.
Yeah.
The first time I tried them, I didn't have such a good experience. They were disgusting, so we're gonna try these ones. And tonight we're gonna do fish. Fish for Junior. And oh, the little one? He came with me.
Is he on sale?
We actually haven't had steak and cheeses in so long. Woo! So I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these. To go with something at some point. Can't forget my baby's chicken nuggets. We're gonna try these. I don't remember where I saw these, but I did see them and I'm gonna give them both a try. The sticky toffee and the apple cider. So we're gonna have to save Burlington for either tomorrow or later today, but the chances of us leaving again tomorrow, us leaving later on today after we go back to the house is very unlikely, especially because I got everything that I need. But because I'm not gonna make it like, I want my car to be clean today, and that's something that I need to get done. Burlington is something that I want to do, so we're going to just eliminate that. We're gonna go grab something to eat. I'm gonna grab Junior something to eat and myself something to eat from actually 2 different places, because he'll only eat chicken nuggets right now, and I want something from Tropical Smoothie. So we're going to, where am I gonna get him chicken nuggets from though? I'll figure it out. Wow! Wow! You see the car? morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I say that the intro because I'm not sure if this is going to be in, I don't know if this is going to be a new vlog, so we'll see. But if not, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. Welcome to my channel. Right now we just left Kid Strong. It was not a good class. Junior was refusing to do all of the exercises. Like, I got him to do them, but it was such a force. It was just really, it was just such a force. Like a really bad force. Like, he just wasn't into it at all. But now we are actually on our way to the mall because this mall, where we are, we're about 40 minutes away from home. And I ordered our Christmas pajamas, I think like almost a week ago. And I got the message yesterday saying that they were ready. I got the message saying that they were ready. So we are going to go pick those up now because we are close by here. I was hoping and praying that it said it was done there by Monday, just so I can pick it up today after his class, because we're literally like less than 5 minutes away from the class. Like, I just pulled out of there and I think it's like what, 1 or 2 lights away. But we're gonna go pick this up. I'm kind of annoyed because I was supposed to put, oh, that's where that is, unless this is another one. I was supposed to put his what is it, stroller back into the car last night because we took it out last weekend when we went away to Massachusetts for our stuff to fit in. And I forgot to put it back in. And I'm so annoyed. Call me a sucker. As soon as he walked in, he saw one. It wasn't working, so we went to the other side and got the other one. And now he's in the car stroller, strolling around. Well, we're probably gonna be in here, what, maybe 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. We'll see. Because now that I have this, I can probably do some more wandering.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
The order's under you?
I'm sorry?
Is the order under you?
Yes.
Give me 1 second, I'll be right out.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Yes, that's me.
Thank you. Did you need a bag for 16 cents?
Actually, you know what? I should take one just to get on safe side.
These are your receipts in case you have to do this.
Thank
You'll
you.
also get one on your phone.
Okay.
You have to have all the information of the credit card. If you need to return.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. You too. Why? But me and Junie did a little bit of walking around, but it wasn't really like, you know. We went into Primark. We picked up the... What did we do, Baba? We picked up the pajamas. Walked around Primark because I was looking for a cardigan and I couldn't find... They had nothing in there. Like, absolutely none. I was kind of surprised. But we're going to head home after this because he's going to be tired soon. Because he was in class, didn't want to do anything. Okay, guys, so we are back home. You probably hear Elmo in the background a little bit because Junior is watching that until he goes upstairs to take his nap, which is like in a half hour. Why does that look like that? I've been looking like that all day. My gosh, time for me to take these out. But I'm gonna show you guys what we got from Amazon. Ooh, do I want to show the? No, I'm not gonna show the. What is it called? What did I go get? The pajamas. So the order that I did yesterday from Amazon was kind of like just a re-up of things that I needed. Oh, except this. This is actually for my mother-in-law. She asked me to get this for her. Syrian herbs, sour sop bitters. I thought it was pills, but it's actually a liquid. So she asked for it, and my brother-in-law, he's going back to Jamaica on Friday, I think. So he's gonna take that for her. But it's a liquid. Herbal formula for gut health, detox, and lasting. So that was for her. I'll give that to him when he gets out of work. The next thing. Oh, these nails is making it so impossible to. Oh, there we go. We're getting somewhere. Kind of open, but the next one is the face wash, the green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. I've been using this since I'm gonna say probably like May, and my husband uses it too. I love it, and actually I got it. It's on sale right now on Amazon. It's normally $39 on Amazon. Right now it's on Amazon for, I think it was like $27.50 or something like that. I actually feel like I should have ordered another one, which I'm probably going to because it's a Black Friday sale. So I think these are my towels. Yeah. I have to re-up on the face towels. These are big, extra large face towels. I love these. There's nothing special about them. I just like how big that they are. That's all. They cost what? They're normally like 20 bucks, but these are also on sale for I think $12.99. So, I have another thing coming out. I don't remember what it is, but I know I ordered 4 things yesterday. What was it? Oh, the other one's just gloves, but those will, I think, coming later on today. But anyways, that's what I got from Amazon. And yeah, that's it. So in this part of the video, I'm actually just showing you guys the stockings and some other things that I bought. Unfortunately, I have to mute it so you can't hear me talking because the music that's playing in the store, like the music that was playing there was so loud that you literally can't even really hear me talking. So just these last couple of shots is just going to be me showing you guys the things that I bought and just like looking around the store, and then the video is going to be done. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, please share, please like the videos. It will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.